In this little skit, you are going to see that we are not perfect like you think. So basically, Assad forgets to apply a map around the letters before they are removed. Unfortunately, when this happens, there's really no way to know where to put the letters back because we've removed the adhesive. We had to perform paint correction here. And in order to put the letters back in the proper place, we do need to create a map using a tape. With that said, Assad doesn't make the map, letters are off. Let's find out how I handle this situation. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put the decals back on the range.
Got it.
Did you make a map for the rear?
I did not make a map for the rear.
You didn't make a map for the rear?
I did not make a map.
This is a great first opportunity for me to explain to you something about this guy right here. Assad, come over here, man. Come on over here. This guy. Go ahead, man. Slate your name, bro. Tell everybody who you are.
What's up? I'm Assad Zaman. Work at HADD Customs with this cool guy right here. Dopest dude.
I'm like big brother to this guy, all right? Let me tell you, he's come a long way, right? Would you say that? He's come a freaking long way. But sometimes I ask him stuff and he still forgets, you know? Stuff like, I don't know, we got this project starting at 9. Can you be here? Yeah, I'll be there. 9:30 comes along, I call. This is how he picks up the phone. Hello? Oh, snaps, Herbie, I'm so sorry, man. I slept through my alarm clock. My dog ate my alarm clock. My parents, right? My parents.
Yeah.
They're too busy fighting in the morning and I can't get to the bathroom because I can't pass through the crazy conversation going on. My head's gonna explode if that happens. And then I won't be able to make it to work anyway, so at least I picked up the phone. Anyway, brother, it's all good. But we should have made the maps for the rear of the tailgate. So how are we gonna like pull off putting those letters exactly where they were before? All right, so I mean, what are we gonna do, man? The owner of this car is a billionaire. You do know that, right? I know there's like an old Range Rover and it's not fresh and everybody thinks fresh car, billionaire, right? You gotta take this seriously though. Like, it's been a client of mine for 7 years. We can't play around, so I really need to make sure this all fits on right. Do you have any idea of how we're going to make this work? You want to take pictures?
My best solution was trying to find a model just like this and tape a map and bring it back here.
I don't know. Yeah, good luck, man. Good luck. I'll see you when you get back. But we gotta get this done tonight, bro. Tonight. Let go. All right, bro, you ready?
Yep.
Gotta bust this mission. Gotta bust this mission. I'm counting on you, man. I believe in you. Go for it. Move, move, move! Don't mess this up.
Let's do this.
You got this, bro. Go get him.
Car. 4 a.m. Freaking great. Got work at 8 in the morning. Damn, dude. Jackpot. No way, man. Oh, man. Okay. That's pretty nice. Yep, it's the one. All right. Herbie, Herbie, Herbie! I got the map.
It's 4 in the morning.
But I got the map.
Took forever, but good job, man.
It looks spot on.
So, did you learn your lesson?
Yes.
I'm playing around, man. Make the frickin' map. I'm tired.
I too.
Falling asleep.
Gotta watch this tomorrow.
You mean in a few hours.
Oh yeah.
Have a good night, man. Hey, clean up. I saw that. And it's all set. We have just got done doing a lot of work to this car. We've performed a 2-day paint correction on the paint. We've restored the emblems, front and rear, restored the wheels, as well as changed the tires. Go ahead and have a look and check it out.